We started this program called Tech Buddies about 3 years ago. The goal is to introduce younger kids to coding and just show them how much fun it is. And it's been a huge success. It's super rewarding to see such young kids actually not only learning how to code, but really enjoying it. Very inspiring, because soon they'll be at Timberline someday, and hopefully they'll continue that track. And the kids, I think they really enjoy applying their knowledge to the younger kids as well. I feel like all kids should learn how to code. It's ubiquitous with everything in the world today, and having the older kids share their knowledge is just continuing that trajectory for these younger kids.
A couple years ago, we decided we gotta get some outreach going. We gotta connect with the elementary school kids and the junior high kids to a lesser extent, and get them going in computer science classes so that when they get to high school, they're all ready to go and join us. This is one of my favorite days of the year. They're just all very invested, very excited to be here.
Learning how to do different codes and different use sounds and movements and different stuff.